Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I'm doing a bloom with this Dusty Rose Mist Tint. Pillow paint, eggshell. Trying to put a little bit less pillow on so that I can have some negative space. I just did one with some greens. I'm going to do another one the same, but I put a black color in between my greens, and I'm not going to do that this time. All right. This is rose quartz, medium magenta, and Persian rose colors. This is cobalt teal and phthalo green. And I've got emerald flash. And then I've got some permanent green medium by Winsor and Newton, and a little bit of emerald flash. It's almost the same color. Yeah, put a bit of pink on the top too. Payne's Gray Cell Activator. Now, where's my mini blower? I'll try my mini blower this time. One of my greens must be opaque because that pink underneath is not coming through very much. Trying to get that middle. All right, let's give this a spin. looking pretty nice. All right, let's do this again. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think I'm done. There, I like that one. All right, that's it. I'm gonna leave this one. I hope you like this one. Try different colored backgrounds and try and get negative space. It really looks great. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. Here's my tile. It's been a couple of days. It's still wet. Quite a bit in there. But it's drying smooth. It's not moving. So I don't want to touch it. But it's got a nice shine. It's going to have a shine to it. There you go. Here's the other one that I did. It's drying awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.